conservation of linear momentum. Conservation of linear momentum. That means in the mechanical system, total momentum will remains constant. Total momentum will remains constant. This is called as what? Conservation. Some incident, some accident, some impact will be taken. For that, before the accident, whatever momentum is there, after the accident also we have same momentum, but comes into different proportions. Clear statement point of view, what happened? Momentum is conserved. Momentum is conserved. Suppose I am giving one example. Rocket is mentioned. Rocket is mentioned. Clear? It is moving forward. It is going up. So in this case, what happened? While going upward, mass of the rocket will be there. It has some velocity. Mass of the rocket, its velocity of the rocket. So momentum of the rocket is equal to what? Mr into Vr. Clear? Now what happened? Thrust is coming out. So mass of the thrust and velocity of the thrust. Thrust has some moment. Rocket also has some momentum. Here, see. So what happened? The momentum of the rocket should be equal to momentum of the thrust. So what I can write? Mr Vr is equal to Mt Vt. In this. Similarly, going arrow, same concept. Firing a bullet.
Your videos.
Can you able to see me right now?
No, sir.
So this is what conservation of momentum means. Momentum of the rocket will be same as that of momentum of thrust what we are taking.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Here, this is one condition. Next, firing a bullet. When you fire a bullet from the gun, the bullet move forward direction, then gun gives a jerk in the backward direction. So momentum of the bullet is equal to momentum of the gun. We'll ask the question. When a person fires a bullet, The gun gives a jerk in the backward direction. Why? Gun gives a jerk in the backward direction because conservation of linear momentum. When bullet moving forward, gun gives a jerk in the backward direction. This is what the situation. Clear? Write out. Conservation of linear momentum. Conservation of linear momentum. Write out. In the mechanical system, total momentum in the mechanical system, total momentum is equal to constant. Is equal to constant or second statement. Total momentum of different bodies before collision is equal to sum of the moments after collision. Right here, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, or m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to 0. So depend upon the format, any one of the equation we have to use. This is not extracted from this equation. This is different equation. That is why I am putting the R symbol here. Two are different equations. Don't think that how 0 comes here. It is a statement model. If it is happen, it is belongs to what? Conservation. If it is not equal to 0, it is not belongs to conservation. तो सिस्टम में सपोज కొన్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇది ఒక సిస్టమ్, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్, 3 objects are there. Its mass is taken as m1, its mass is taken as m2, its mass is taken as m3. Because of some system of force, it is moving like this, it is moving like this, it is moving like this. They have their velocities. So I am disturbing from outside, I am applying some amount of force. Then all will be collided each other, just like the strikes of a carrom board. Next, what happened? This is first one, second one, third one. It may go this side, directions may be changes, velocities also may be changes. So what happened? M1, M2, M3. Your velocity is V1, V2, V3. So U1, U2, U3. Here what happened? V1, V2, V3. Clear? So total momentum m1 u1 plus m2 u2 plus m3 v3, m3 u3. Whatever data I am getting here, this should be equal to in this situation. Clear? If it is possible, it is called as what here? Conservation. If it is not equal, it is not belongs to conservation. Clear? Next. Impulse. Take a symbol I or J. Impulse. Representation is I or J. It is also almost same concept. Clear? So in this case, large amount of force applied in very small interval of time. Here large amount of force applied in a short interval of time is called as what here impulse. Here then some destruction will be taken place. Sometimes it may be useful, sometimes it may not be useful. Clear? So see here, it is a rigid wall. It is a rigid wall. I am taking one nail. With my finger, if I apply force, then the nail will not enter into the wall. The particular nail will not enter into excuse me. Nail will not enter into the wall. So what shall I do? I have to use one hammer. I have to use one hammer. So what happened? On the head of the nail, very strongly I have to beat the nail. Then what happened? When it touches to beat, then only the force will be completely transferred. Then the tip of the nail will be enter into the wall. That means I am disturbing the wall, but the nail connected to the wall is required there. It is required destruction. This is called as what an impulse. Large amount of force applied in a small interval of time. The particular hammer, if you are bringing slowly and connected to this nail, it can't be able to go inside now. Clear? Strongly, maximum force applied with a small time now. Then some destruction will be there. It is called as what an impulse. Clear? Next, one more example is given. A cricketer, while catching a ball is coming from certain height. So what happened? When ball enter into the hand, he will hold and pull the hand backward. Clear? He will pull the hand in the backward direction. If not, what happened? Because of the force, the hand surface is soft. Hand surface is what is soft. This is completely soft surface. So the force is coming, when you hold it, our hand will be get injured. Because force within fraction of seconds of time it is transferred to the hand, again not returned back. So what happened? Hand will get injured. So what shall I do now? I have to, after holding into the hand, I want to pull my hand from here to here. When I am pulling from here to here, some time will be taken. In this time what happened? The force will reduce. So to reduce the impulse, a cricketer pull the hands backward direction. Clear? Next, one more example. Shock absorbers means spring systems will be used in the vehicles to reduce the impulse. If suppose shock absorbers are not there, bus is moving on the normal road, means nothing will happen wherever you sit. If suppose you are sitting in the back seat, last corner seat. Clear? The bus is suddenly moving fastly, suddenly some speed breaker will be there or some uneven road will be there. It is not controlled to apply the brake. Then what happened? Bus enters on the particular uneven surface. The person who is sitting in the last seat, he will touch his head to the last roof. He will jump in the bus. If shock absorbers are used, nothing will happen. Just a small bump will be taken place. If it is suppose a Benz bus, the quality of observers will be more. Even you don't know there is an uneven road, you will be in the normal position. That means shock absorbers are used in the vehicles to reduce the impulse. In every house we have bikes are there. Near the front wheel or rear wheel, we can see spring-like system. That is called as what here? Shock absorber. Just like a spring system. Clear? These are the examples of impulse. So formula point of view. I is equal to F into delta T. F into delta T, or second statement I is equal to mv minus nu, change in momentum. Here change in momentum is also called impulse. Clear idea? Take the heading as impulse. Under that, large amount of force is applied. Large amount of force is applied. Large amount of force is applied in a short interval of time. Large amount of force is applied large amount of force is applied in a short interval of time. In a short interval of time is called impulse. Is called impulse.
Sir, please repeat question.
Large amount of force is applied. Large amount of force is applied in a short interval of time. In a short interval of time is called impulse. Is called impulse. Is called impulse. Or second statement, change in momentum of an object, change in momentum of an object, change in momentum of an object is called impulse. Is called impulse. Here units of work from this formula, force into time, Newton second, or change in momentum is again momentum only, kilogram meter per second, and dimensional formula ml t power minus 1. So copy that as it is. Over. Next,
Yes, sir.
2 points, whatever I mentioned, you can write now. Penetrating nail and catching a ball and vehicles point of view shock observers. These are the examples. That means they can ask theory questions also. Clear? So write those two examples by your own. Clear? Impulse is required to penetrate a nail into the wall. Clear? Next example is what? While catching a ball, cricketer pull his hands backward to reduce the impulse. Next, shock observers are used in the vehicle to reduce the impulse. Here these are the examples of impulse. Copy them. So here in these three cases, Newton's third law, conservation of linear momentum and impulse. Concept is same in these three cases. Clear? So tomorrow we will discuss problems based on this particular concept. Clear enough? So once read all the synopsis and the formulas whatever I gave, check here. Clear? I am stopping right now.
Give me my symbol.